Hello everyone and welcome to Coding with Bharat. So in my previous tutorial I've already explained what is pandas and what are data frames and what are the two core data structures in pandas. So now in this lecture I'm going to explain what is a data frame. So firstly, let's understand what is Pandas. So Pandas is an open source Python library which is designed for data manipulation and data analysis. So it makes working with structured data very fast, very flexible and intuitive. So especially if you're dealing with CSV files, comma separated value files, Excel sheets, SQL tables, JSON or APIs. And the two core data structures in pandas are series, which is a one dimensional labeled array like a column, and the second one is data frame, which is a two dimensional labeled data structure like a full spreadsheet or a SQL table. So what is data frame? As I said, it is a 2D labeled data structure. So data frame is a two dimensional tabular data structure with labeled rows and columns like a full spreadsheet, or you can also call as a SQL table. So the key features of a data frame is label based indexing and the column wise and the row wise operations, and it supports mixed data types, and it is very fast and vectorized operations can be used, and it is built on numpy. Thank you so much for listening.